What's up, Decentraplanes? I'm 21, Priest, XRP legend. New moon, do your thing. Yeah, this new moon is a pretty crappy one. We're still here. This new moon is a pretty crappy one. What do you call this a dump? I don't know, it's going down, man. You know, for the views, to get more viewers, to get people to, you know, be scared and stuff like that, to, panic click on the video. I don't know, clickbaity title. We YouTubers do that, we clickbait people into watching, and then we trick them into subscribing, and then when they do that, bam, we shill a Ponzi coin and then make money. Good USG numbers, so now the short dump typical stocks don't like good news for normal people. I don't know what did the US job numbers come out at. Economy unemployment rate holds 3.6% in June. Those are everywhere. Inflation at 40-year highs. The stock market spiraling. Blah blah. The money market remains exceptionally strong. The labor report trade sales were created in June at strong for money. 3.6. Yeah, I remain strong in June. So this was expected. This is what we got. 2,600 was expected. We got 37,000. 3.6 versus 3.6 expected. 0.3 versus 3 expected. But it was expected that unemployment should be lower than it was. So how can it be 3.6 versus 3.6? Strong labor market bearish. Short point. By the way, best stuff that's right now happened. We don't have the divergence on the daily anymore, guys. There is no more divergence on the daily. As you can see here, we exploded towards the upside. See, line goes up, RSI goes up, RSI goes up, everything goes up, guys. Everything goes up, which is very good. There is no divergence on the daily time frame. Let's see 2 days. Yeah, no divergence on the 2-day chart as well. Yeah, everything looks good, guys. Everything looks good. Support down here at 10 moving average on 2-day chart up here, 10-20 moving average down there. We can definitely still pull back down though. We can definitely still pull back down and continue towards the upside. We're already getting support, but falling down a little bit. This basically means we're happy to keep interest rate high because these rate hikes aren't damaging the economy enough. Now we can dump, so we can increase the inflation because jobs are good, so we can increase the inflation. Is that the plan? $225 came in. Yeah, so we've been seeing on the daily time frame. I mean, the top up here, the 50 moving average, very important resistance level at 25k right now. Definitely can hit that. On the weekly time frame we got the right now we did hit the 200 moving average up here, right now pulling back, but we still got 2 days left. If we can get a bullish engulfing candle up here that just might get back above 200 moving average up here, then we move a little bit down, then a little bit up down, and then in November we start pumping. Big long time. Why are people so bullish, guys? Why are people so bullish? I've been thinking lately that we've been doing quite crap when it comes to our trading, I think we have been going against the trend for a very long time. So but I'm still not on the bandwagon of bandwagon of you know, longs right now. I'm still a little bit, you know, short-term bearish. I don't know why. I should not be that, but you know, I am. Well, longs are going to be wrecked. Afternoon drag, I do, man. Yes, one more 70k or below would be so hot. There will definitely be more dumps, guys. I mean, the accumulation phase doesn't take very short time. Accumulation takes a long time, guys. Accumulation takes a long time. So if you look at a daily time frame, I mean, we had nothing over here. We had nothing. You know, we gotta have the weekly accumulation. Down here, weekly accumulation took a very long time. And usually these things happen, you know, for a long time. So what you can see here, we just started this accumulation phase up here. It's gonna take a long time, guys. Maybe at the end of the year, November or something like that. You know, I said like 3 to 6 months, but you know, I don't really know. It can range pretty high up and pretty low down. You know, you can have pretty high numbers and pretty low, you know, very low numbers as well. So you know, there will be definitely a range where we go up and down. Right now everything's pulling back a little bit down. I'm in short 240. Yeah, so yesterday there was so much nice shorts over here. My AV position up here got liquidated up here, as you can see, always wicking out. I had, you know, this TFN stop account which I'm doing terrible at, and you know, I'm trying to, you know, figure it out, but you know, these mental stop losses are not helping, guys. Mental stop losses are not helping. And you know, getting wrecked every single time, guys. Getting wrecked every single time. Also, the, you know, my entry point down here was quite bad. It was on the small time frames up here. If you see down there, you know, I entered the position down here because I thought this was stopped and exploded up here. It came very close down there and then exploded towards the upside, got me out, and then right now going back below the entry position, short entry position down here. Very bad, very bad. So you know. And if you look at a little bit bigger time frame, stuff like that, right? There was no pullback or anything like that. So we didn't have any kind of pattern on 30 minutes time frame. I was just wanted to show the top, which is very scary, very scary. Don't use mental stop loss, bro. Yeah, that mental stop loss needs to go, guys. That mental stop loss needs to go. Unfortunately. But we will keep the mental stop loss, you know. Less talk, more trade. Less talk, more trade. I don't know. I don't think the more trade is the type. I think, you know, better trades is the thing. But we're gonna see. And the trend is your friend until the end of the trend, and you make a new friend. Exactly. When you're in profit, says stop loss on breaking. But I was never in profit, man. I was never in profit. Still 50% to go. 2 years of accumulation. You know, it's not 2 years of accumulation, guys. It's not gonna range between, you know, 20k, you know, for 2 years. It's just not gonna do that. New rule: unless you're actively watching, no mental stop loss. Yeah, I was actually mentally watching it. For example, AV, right? I was actively watching it all the way up. You know, I was actually, you know, I entered down here on when it started pulling back. I entered down because I thought this is gonna go to the downside. Of course, you know, it started running away from me, you know, so it was mental stop loss, but I was pretty deep already up here, like something like 40% deep, because it was going so fast. But I was like, yeah, you know, it started, you know, zigzagging, started going down. I was looking down here, you know, some kind of channel. I thought it might actually break down, and then of course somewhere up here, I don't know, I started breaking this level towards the upside. And up here somewhere I went to sleep, I think. And right after that, you know, without any kind of stop loss, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna let it go. And by the time I wake up, it's gonna be down here, right? And this happened, you know, right after I went to bed. You know, it exploded towards the upside. Unfortunately, not now, not in the tech world we are approaching. You'll be way better off to swing trade instead of this short-term scalping. Shorts get wrecked, pump incoming. No trade and no talk. No trade, no talk. Let's see a little bit what other coins are doing up here on the 30 minutes time frame, stuff like that. Do we have right now? This is getting rejected right now. Big move up here. This second rejection up here. There's a support line down here. It can definitely bounce back up here, you know, to certain levels, and then get rejected on the downside. There is decent, you know, it already broke the downtrend up here, the short-term downtrend. So up here might actually go towards the upside. On the other hand, these bigger levels up here might go all the way up there. Let's see how this actually plays out. Right now it's hitting some kind of, right now maybe it might be, some kind of long position up here, short long position, maybe, just maybe. 4 hourly closing in 3 hours. We just had a 4 hourly close down here above the 20 moving average on Theta. Let's see XRP came to 10 moving average. Bitcoin pulled back, but not even close to the 10 moving average. Right now we're just hitting the 10 moving average up here. Yeah, this exploded, towards upside. You can see the trend up here. There was a rising wedge up here. Rising wedge exploded towards upside. Right now it's pulling back. So we need to watch this line up here. Till I remember yesterday could be. What? I entered short on the ETH at 112.65. Mladen has these best entries, man. Look here, man. 65, like damn, like he knows how to call the tops, man. Make your own channel, man. I'm gonna shill your channel. You're gonna teach me, man. I'm gonna start to believe in 2016-19 scenario where you go up to like 50k and then dump to, on 22nd November. Yeah, trading the dates. I rode a bit live last night like a FOMO noob, but made like 40. Then rode it down this morning. Nice. You guys doing good. You're better traders than me. That's for sure, guys. That's for sure. I'm just losing my crap. You're making it. We are actually breaking the trend towards downside, guys. I did not see this up here. This is actually breaking the trend right now. So Bitcoin might drop significantly towards downside. Over here, maybe something like, this is not Bitcoin, this is Ethereum, something like 1158 or something like that. Let's see, is Bitcoin breaking the trend up here? Let's remove everything up here. There was this trend up here, give or take. Bitcoin is not yet removing, breaking the trend up here. Maybe something like this up here. Yeah, so it can still go down to something like 20,008 or something like that. Another 2-3% towards downside. I short with Kyle Dupes. Okay. Is he live trading? Like I watched some of his channels, but I didn't see live trades. I saw, he just, talks. I predict he fake crash to get everyone shorting. Yeah, flooding the market to get everybody shorting. That's the good stuff. But you can see this pump up here goes like, this pump goes like, curves towards this side. This pump curves towards upside, right? There are different kind of pumps. You got these kind of pumps. These kind of pumps, they goes, sideways and, sideways. Then you got these kind of pumps up here, right? They goes towards upside, which is a lot more bullish, like this up here. It increases the speed, right? This is like, failed. Failed. Let's go up here, up, nice. I don't know. Up there, right? MMF finance sell now. Dude, stop shilling. Some sideways trading consolidation and up. Some sideways trade consolidation. Yeah, there are definitely levels that right now are important. Over here, the daily level, of course. Let's see today up here how it looks. Yeah, the same level. Support. I won't say this is the one. Let's see in 4 hourly. I think it's just trend lines. Hi Hassan, how you doing, man? How's Dodge doing? Waves looks dumpy though. So if Bitcoin might pull back, this might actually break towards downside. This looks like a bear flag though. Some kind of bear flag, right? Back down to the bottom down here. Waves, bear flag. What do you mean, lol? Isn't this a bear flag? Like, it does look like a bear flag to me. I don't know what it looks like to you, but this up, this move up here with this, maybe even a rising wedge up here, but it's definitely going like this, up, down, up, down, up, down. It does look like a bear flag. I don't know what it looks like to you, man. To me, it looks like a bear flag. Maybe only down here somewhere, something like this. Bearish graphic candle right up there, right back to the start up here. Does not look good up here. This also looks dumpy. Everything looks dumpy. That's XRP. XRP is doing a little bit better. As XRP had this, very nice move towards upside. Already short Solana once today. It's a good idea, and the profits were tidy, but it made pay off nearly as much as I had expected, but didn't pay off as much as I expected. Yeah, it is, but I wrote that it's bear flag, and you said at the point there is. It is, but I wrote that it's bear flag. You said that at that point. That's why. Oh, we said at the same time. Oh, I get it. I get it. So all of this is like daily time frames up here. Yeah. This actually looks very good. Like on the daily time frame over here, I managed to get above the moving averages right now. There is huge support up here huge support down here at the give or take between these levels down here. If you look at this on 4-hourly time frame, it can dump a little bit more towards downside down here, like 5%, something like that. But it does look like if once it hits these levels down here, it might be time to long again. The same thing goes for Bitcoin, right? If you look at a daily time frame up here, Bitcoin might just start pulling back a little bit down here, and then reverse and continue towards upside, because the trend is very nice up here, give or take somewhere, right? Maybe it's even increasing the trend up here, right? So it might just start going all the way down there, maybe with the wick holding and then pushing more towards upside. The 2 means the huge pump or dump starts. I hope time to short was at 200 weekly moving average. Yeah, I did not actually see that. I did not actually see the 200 weekly moving average. Bitcoin, I did not see this, the hit on the 200 weekly moving average. Unfortunately, it came up to, to the dollar on the 200 weekly moving average. I did not see that. Look up here, man. This is the 22.6, man. 22.6 on the dollar, almost on the dollar, give or take. It hit that, right? The guy called the late adopter. Is there employment news? Employment news are good, so I don't know how much that's gonna affect us. To me, is the huge pump or dump starts. I hope a pump. It does seem nice. It is breaking everything towards downside though. Safe ape in the chat. Probably dumps to 26 then pull. Not quite sure about it. Dogecoin, even though Elon Musk tweeted that it's gonna start payment, it's not actually working that well. But it does look nice that he's consolidating up here. It's went up here right now, consolidating up here. But there are decent bearish candles though for US market starting. trade up the first 4 hour out of day close. This already kind of broke the trend. If you look at this in 5-minute time frame, yeah, it kind of already broke the trend. See down here, still a nice, you know, move up here, and this trend over here, expanding wedge, get broken towards upside. Right now, retest up here, maybe a second retest, and then we long that. With a stop loss, guys. With a stop loss. Never seen a DXY chart so high. How is the DXY chart doing? I haven't checked that today. Yeah, 0.2, 107. Yeah, it is exploding still. Yeah, it is doing very nice. This is right now it's increasing the speed. I thought it was actually done over here because, you know, but it is going up very fast. Might be creating some kind of you know, rising wedge up here right now. But it's not a rising wedge. Even if this is a rising wedge right now, it is increasing the speed. So it can explode towards the upside. I don't think it's done yet. I don't, you know, we thought it might have been done, but after this pump up here above the resistances, you know. Maybe up to 108 or something like that. Maybe to 108 or something like that, right? But if it breaks this resistance as well towards upside, that's gonna make it explode. Let's go up here by Bitcoin minus 1% down there. Let's go to the hourly time frame of Bitcoin. So right now we had the hourly close up here, managed to move up a little bit towards upside, creating this doji. Let's see 50-minute chart up here. Moved up a little bit up here. Shiba. Give or take, right? So it's final stage of parabolic move. Yeah, but the thing about parabolic moves, although you can kind of see when it starts breaking down, it's really hard. It's really hard. Like, let's go to DXY. So if you look at the DXY over here, let's just move everything. So, but the thing about parabolic moves, they can, you know, increase the speed. This is on the daily time frame, right? Let's go 2-day time frame up here. You know, it right now, every one of these moves can be, you know, done. But as long as it is keep increasing the speed meaning breaking the trend lines, right? Increasing, you know, breaking the trends and stuff like that, right? So if it wants to increase speed up here, it needs to break that. But you know, it is breaking, you know, this. What was it? This up here, this line, right? So it is going high, but you know, if it can manage to get above both of these lines, that's definitely a speed increase. I think over here might, you know, consolidate up here before it, you know, does new move towards upside. Good evening, good. When will you have lunch? No sure, man, no sure, not sure. Wife is not at home right now, so no lunch. No lunch. The thing that actually looks good up here is that Ethereum is breaking the trend, right? over here. It broke the trend. It went up there, you know, one time, two times. Right now it's broken through the support down here. It might go a little bit more up here, and then it crashed towards downside. You know, we might get on the move towards the upside. We can see that. But already had, you know, two of these moves. One, two. Are we gonna get the third move? I don't know. Yeah, you're right. I'm calling for top for 2 months now. Yeah, I mean. So the most important thing about, you know, the parabolic moves is that it needs to break the trend, right? The trend cannot be, the trend needs to be broken, and the only way to break the trend, what is it? Is to break the support line. So if you look here on the 2-day chart, and let's remove moving averages up here on the chart and remove everything. So if you look, maybe even let's do weekly time frame up here. Weekly time frame is nice. So the trend needs to be broken. This is a weekly time frame, right? The trend needs to be broken. You can see here, this trend over here is not broken, right? This trend over here is not broken. Then we got maybe this trend up here. It looks very nice. And this trend is not broken yet, right? So if you look at it on the weekly time frame, this can actually continue for a long time because this trend over needs to be broken. This trend, because parabolic moves cannot decrease speed and then continue towards the upside. They have to keep increasing the speed all the time, right? So the move up here needs to break this line, and we were saying this line now on the short term up here. It did break some trends up here. Maybe it broke this trend up here towards downside, this small move, but it still didn't break this long-term trend line up here. This is a weekly trend line, right? So it can definitely continue pumping towards the upside. On the other hand, right now it looks like it's going inside expanding wedge up here. So to increase the speed up here and break this towards the upside, that might, you know, cause some tension. Maybe it's also this one up here where we're hitting the resistance right now, 107. You know, where is the actual line going over here? Over here, you know, this channel up here, this channel increased the speed towards the upside. Let's try to get a channel out of this. Yeah, maybe that's the thing. Let's try to get a channel. So maybe this is the channel right now, right? And you know, to increase the speed in this channel up here, it must break this resistance up here. It must break this resistance, I think. So I think, you know, maybe down here there was one channel. It depends on how you analyze this, but you know, so you can see here it goes, you know, one channel right now, secondary channel, and then, you know, it explodes, you know, in the third move. So maybe there is a, you know, another channel, you know, that's gonna start up here somewhere, you know, have a pullback down there, and, you know, do another move up here, and there will be, you know, a last channel up here where it just explodes towards the upside, right? But even then you do something like this up here, you know, it can technically still do more moves, right? You never know. Maybe it's gonna be 160 where we actually, you know, explode up here towards the upside. But whether this is done or not, Are you still holding? I'm not holding. I got wicked out on the liquidation price. Don't ask me that. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. Let's see up here. Bybit pairs. So we're gonna trend up here. That we broke on the downside. We might go up to 21.6. Is there anything else that's, you know, right now remove 2 joints? Let's see up here and see if there is anything that, you know, looks more bearish than other stuff. You know, this, you know, Theta looks like a bear flag up here or something, right? It looks like a bear flag, right? I don't know, you know, but you know, it does look like a bear flag right now. Still holding up there. Shiba on daily looks a little bit better than other. Shiba looks a lot better than Theta, but Theta is still still holding down here on the support. I don't know if you're looking for short or long or both. So I think I would like to scalp short, but I don't think we should be doing that because we have been going against the trend for a long time, and the trend is still towards the upside. Even though if it's a bear flag, the trend is still towards the upside, guys. The trend is still towards the upside. You can see up here, it's still trending towards the upside. There is no breaks or anything like that. We bought lots of alts and Bitcoin during the 7K drop. I did. I don't know what you were doing. Yeah, can you look at dominance, please? Dominance, I cannot analyze dominance. The only thing about dominance that I can analyze is the, when the altcoin season is gonna come, stuff like that, right? And not even when it's gonna come, but when it's this downtrend up here on Bitcoin dominance up here, it's broke towards right now, getting some kind of support up here. Still can actually hit it down there a little bit more. So this move towards downside just show that altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin. I'm not making. Nah, it's not anything major, nothing major. You gotta look this in comparison to Bitcoin though. Always look dominance in comparison to Bitcoin USD. So you gotta see which direction these two are going, right? See, here it was, dominance was exploding up here while the price was going down. This is altcoins being dead, right? And right now Bitcoin want to go down, but dominance crash means altcoin recovering pretty fast. So no, I cannot tell you, but we can the thing about dominance, you can already see on the charts that altcoins are performing better than Bitcoin and stuff like that. Bitcoin goes up 1%, everything goes up like 5%. You can already kind of see that. Bitcoin alts and don't sell until bull top. I've been loading up. I thought you were gonna wait for the 10K, man. Did you get emotional? Chaco Ben got emotional on this little pump up here, and it's like buy, no 10K. Chaco went 10K. Chaco is very emotional guy. We go down, he thinks it's gonna be 10K. We go a little bit up, he thinks it's gonna be 100K. There is nothing in between. There's no rational movement. It's either or. But we like Chaco Ben, guys. We like Chaco Ben. It's okay. He's a good guy. A little bit emotional. I think he's a little bit more emotional than me, but it's a good guy. 1090 and eat short with 3x. What can I do, bro? Whatever you wanna do. You don't wanna ask me, man. I'm losing money. Nobody, you are the one who is emotional. Yeah, I am. I am a little bit emotional. I'm gonna agree on that and say yes, I'm emotional. I cannot, ever since I was a kid, I was like that. I don't know. I think that's saying some kind of psychological stuff. I don't get, So there's that. I'm losing $16 right now. Ooh, big loss. So never hit 10K that would bring the Luna effect and go to zero. I don't know if it will bring the Luna effect, but just joined. I'm retraded. No, we're not in trade. A lot of emotions. Balkan blood, bro. A lot of emotions, definitely. How is the account doing, TLA? Are we winning or losing? We've been losing lately, so you know, right now we have, you know, the fear of going in, foggy. There's a new word. Fear of entering position. Fuep or Fuji. Fear of going in. Fear of trading. Fear of trading. Fear of FOMO. Fear of LT. Fault. Fear of losing trades. Fear of entering on bad position. FOAP. Fear of LS looking stupid. I don't know, we got some kind of false stuff going on. We got definitely some kind of false stuff going on. Some kind of fear of something. You just need to set limit orders, man. Trust your tier levels. Everything else will be late and miss trade. So this is going down. It's already gone down pretty, you know, dumped a lot from the top up here. We are already down something like 6%. Will Bitcoin do another 2%? I don't know. Maybe you should be start looking for long trades, guys. Maybe you should be looking for long trade. This is still an option. You know, some options are broken, some are not. Support on the downside starts looking mighty juicy and nice. Ethereum can actually, you know, go all the way down to, you know, some kind of support down here at, you know, 6-7%. Bitcoin can do another move down here to something like, you know, 5%. You know, but other coins are looking already that they're on some kind of bottom down here, maybe. This is a bearish engulfing candle on the daily, but we still got 10 days left, so, you know, we can't say right now that this is just gonna, you know, this is 4-hourly candle up here, so we got some kind of the bottom down here. Maybe you should be looking for longs, guys. Are you with me on the long? Should we be looking on the long or short position? Should we be looking on long or short positions now? Long, short. Let's see how that goes, and let's take 5-minute break. You know what I'm thinking, guys? I don't have to trade, guys. I don't have to trade. I just have to think about winning trades, and you know, the dopamine starts hitting my head. You know, I get this good feeling. I don't have to trade to get the feeling, man. I can get my dopamine and my, you know, good feeling, but just thinking about winning trades, guys. I just like, oh man, that long position, you know, goes up for 10, 20, 30%. Ooh. You know, why trade when I can get that already? The team brings some in. I'm just sitting fantasizing on that. Once I get that 1 million, man. Ah, it's gonna be so good. I get already the feeling, man. Already the feeling. Go a challenge a couple of days back. 9 trades and a break even after my last 3 trades were poor. Keeping stop losses tight. I'm in a long at the moment. XRP. Look for a move back up at 0.356. Nice, man. Nice. Guys, do the 400 to a million challenge, or $1 to a million challenge. Don't do drug kits. We have to get in when it's not obvious and when everybody else is uncertain. There is clear, you know, bearish trend still up here going on. Might be already broken though. We are at sport. Short-term sport, let's go to 15. Bearish engulfing here. Are we gonna long this for whatever reason? %60 says long. By the way, guys, hit the like button right now. Like you mean it, like really smash it. I'm not saying we should short now. No, Mladen shorted at, you know, at the very top, so he doesn't care. Don't listen to Mladen, guys. He shorted at the top. But Mladen is also saying, you know, he's not right, you know, sure whether, you know, right now is a good time to short, because we already went down big time since the top up here, guys. Since the top, we have been down like 7%. So, you know, might be some kind. Just broke my mouse pressing like button. Long. We're still getting smacked down. Can we see anything on 5-minute chart up here? We are on the support. We can do long right down here. We can do a long right over here. And if we, you know, start breaking this on the downside, we just exit the position. So, you know, our losses are, you know, very small, very small. Down a bit more, fast, back up. This right now look like it has expanding, you know, channel on the downside, but I hit this move. Can it do another move to the downside? Definitely can. Let's see, look at the volume. Look at the volume candle. Look at the volume candle, guys. Look at the volume candle. This might have been the bottom down here. Let's see if everything else has the same volume candle on the same time frame. It had a volume, or, you know, entire move towards downside up here. There was a big volume. Yeah, this candle up here like wrecked everybody. It was going up here and then broke down. I don't know why I'm looking at Theta, but if you guys can see any kind of pattern or anything else. This option got broken, definitely. Cardano. Yeah, a lot of these things, you know, have broken options. There's 1 hour booth, like. Oh no, we missed it. Oh man. We want to long the support and we missed that. Dude, no. We would all, if you longed up here, we'd already be like 7% up. We missed the long position, guys. We missed the long. Let's short something. Like smacked. Nice. Double bottom up down here with a higher low. Nice. Obrovich, Wi-Fi II. You know, this is a scam coin. I think Wi-Fi II is a scam coin. You know, I think it's a scam coin. I don't know. You know, from what I've seen on the webpage and stuff like that, you know, it did explode big time and everybody wants to FOMO in. It went down, right now going up again. Will it do another move up here? It can do another move up there. I don't know, man, what's happening with this thing over here. But I you know, from what I can see on the webpage, you know, it's maybe something like this up here, right? It is holding nicely above, you know, 10 moving average up here. If we can manage to get above the 20 up here, maybe it's gonna go up there again. I don't know, man. This downtrend over here got broken towards upside, so right now it's consolidating. It is, you are right. Check the retrace on something. There is no retrace. Like, look at it here, man. We lost the move. We lost the move, man. We waited too long. We didn't FOMO in. Right now it's going back up again. Everything is going back up again. Dude, no. Even Shiba. Shiba is actually looking bullish. Small move towards the upside, but you know, still. And there we go, guys. Everything is retracing. Everything is back up again. No moves for us, guys. No moves for us. Not yet. 4 hourly still not. I haven't broken the trend. GMT is still, you know, going kind of sideways up here. Bearish engulfing candle hitting the 50 moving average. Maybe it's gonna get rejected up here. 10 moving average as well. Because this bearish engulfing candle up here, right back down again, was below the support. Yeah, it was below the support. Right now climbing back up again over here. Let's see. A little bit more of a drop, I think. S&P is filling its gap down. Okay. Maybe it's time for short right now, because right now we missed the long position, right? So maybe it's time for shorting. Because you look up here, I mean, you know, there are some levels up here that might get hit, right? So maybe we're gonna short here at 21,520. This 5-minute time frame up here. Resistance. 30 minutes closing in 50 minutes. 50 minutes right now, closing in soon. 4 hourly. 4 hourly still, you know, 2 hours and 60 minutes. No, don't short now, man. Maybe just, you know, a small pump. Maybe just small pump, you know, to get everybody FOMO'd. Maybe just small pump to get everybody FOMO in, and then, you know, we go down. Maybe up to 2163. Let's find a nice resistance. Nice resistance is all the way up, you know, at 25k. So there is that. There is a support level down here that we are right now, you know, fighting to hold. We already broke that towards the upside right now. Technically, we are actually getting rejected by that already. Oh man, we missed the low, man. It bites. That's 10% up already. This is breaking, you know, the move up. If XRP moves back down, because right now it looks like breakout, if it moves back down to, you know, 10 moving average down here or something like that, that might be a nice move towards the upside. Theta needs also to move back down to, you know, down here. Shiba looks bullish. Shiba needs to move back down here to these moving averages. Look, these 3 nice wicks up here. This moving average down here. And then we continue towards the upside. But everything needs, you know, to have a pullback, any kind of pullback, right? But there is no pullback, guys. There is no pullback. It could come down. It can. We'll see that. GMT. I don't think it's gonna come down until we hit resistance, and by that time, you know, it's this is already hitting up the resistance up there, but might break it towards the upside. Higher highs, higher lows. No divergence on 5 minutes. We are watching 5-minute charts again, guys. We are watching 5-minute charts again. 30 minutes, you know, until this breakout is confirmed, but there is no confirmation of the breakout. Maybe something like this up here as well. This is a nice wick on the top side. Spanning channel up here. 3, 4, 15. Yeah, so since it's already in a downtrend, maybe we should short this. Like, this looks very nice. Yeah, 50 moving average, and we short that, right? 3, 4, 14 up here, right? Up here and then go down, breaks this, goes down all the way down there. That would be some very nice, you know, nice profits on that trade, right? Maybe something like this up here. Give or take 50 moving average. Around 28 will be interesting if you can see a reaction. How much was this candle down here? 1.2, 1.4%. It will be nice to hit this 20 moving average though. It will be nice to hit the 20 moving average. But it's not coming in close to the 20 moving average. So just getting rejected by the 10 already. Now we missed the short, guys. Now we missed the short. We missed the long, then we missed the short. Yeah, 10 moving average. Still go down. It's still getting, like, it's getting rejected though. Still getting squeezed down below the support. It's long here or never. It's long now or never. What you guys say? Long now or never? It's on our, you know, on the dollar. It's going down. I think bias is towards downside though. Maybe this way, maybe it went up, you know, to get the, you know, more pressure towards downside, because this does look bad. 5 minutes closing down here, very bad actually. I think it's gonna break on downside. What about Matic? Philip. Okay, Bitcoin weak down into the golden pocket. So Shiba is hitting the support. Shiba is hitting support definitely right now on the 5 minute time frame, right? 15 minute also retracing back nicely. This is a bearish engulfing. Bearish. We got two huge bearish engulfing candles. Like it goes up, it goes down, and it's done. XRP losing everything right now. It can actually pop right now. Okay, let's see Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin got rejected by the 20 on the big rejection, bearish engulfing rejection. Big move down. Let's see 10 minutes down from here. Still getting rejected. Still getting rejected. So the trend is still towards downside. Big time towards downside. This was actually a short position though, because you know it's still trending towards downside. It's still trending over here towards downside right now. It's creating a, you know, a head and shoulders pattern up here, give or take. I don't know where it's gonna be. Maybe some clarity up here. Once it breaks down here, it's gonna be something like you know, down here. Right now let's go like 20%, you know, move towards downside, which is quite nice. Don't trade now. What? I'm in good mood, man. I'm in very good mood. Like my, you know, I didn't sleep when I should have been sleeping, but I did sleep, you know, very well. Why should I not be trading right now, man? I can see everything on the charts. I can see everything on charts. I'll wait for SFP. There is no better time to trade than where you are very, you know, your spirit is high and stuff like that, right? Maybe it's down there. Yeah, I'm pretty tempted to short ship, but you ruin your mood if you trade. It doesn't go your way. Yeah, but you know, but if it does go my way, then those dopamines is gonna start kicking in big time, guys. Those dopamines is gonna start kicking in big time. So we missed a big short opportunity up here. We had, you know, our chance right now, and right now it's going down. So we we can't short it right now. Dampola coming. Dampola. What kind of thing is that? $200 moving average and 50 moving average up here. Looks very nice. Not verdance yet for hourly. Yeah, everything is very high up, but it's not pulling back yet. Things still go down more for hourly. You like that, huh? You like that, huh? Yes, you like that. I see that, man. I see that. Oh, man. Nice, nice, very nice. The Mladen, the madman, shorted up here, man. I don't know how he knows, but you know, if it's how much X did you do? How much X did you sniff? Make a triangle in the 4 hour. Make a triangle in the 4 hourly. There is no triangle in the 4 hourly. You mean the the triangle, the triangle. The triangle. No way we are gonna go all the way down there again. I mean, we can technically go down there again. There is nothing that stops us going down there again. 15x. Ooh, that's nice, man. How much of your portfolio did you do? How much of your portfolio did you do? $700. Yeah, but okay, $700. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's very good. But you know, I was interested in, you know, portfolio, you know, percentage, like your trading portfolio. Do you only do like, because a lot of people do like, you know, only 10% of their portfolio, some do 50, and some like me, like crazy guys, do, you know, 100%. It would be inverse Adam and Eve or cup and handle with that. There might be a channel here. There might be a channel. Or falling wedge or something. I use buy with 10% button. 25%. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Very nice. I use buy with 10% button. I use buy with 100% button. I just do like this. I'll do like this. Where is it? I go up here. Okay. 100x. Ooh. We need. How did this get to 100x, man? How did this get to 100x? We do only 10x, guys. We do only 10x isolated, you know, market 100% short long. Because I'm lazy to change it. Just long dodge with $100. Good luck. There is unconfirmed, or maybe was confirmed reverse. It's a rejection, big rejection right now, going higher. I think we're getting close to the bottom, but you know, the question is where that is. Like down here it seems like nice. This could have been also a bit some kind of, you know, bigger time frames, double bottom down here, right? Maybe some kind of falling wedge down here. It could also be expanding wedge. Smokers blend over opioid. Long now, really 10x leverage, just long dodge. We don't want a house swapping profits on trading to holding portfolio. And only one house swapping profits from trading to holding portfolio. You're swapping. Are you the only one that's swapping the? You know, I'm not doing that. You know. Depends on how much money. I mean, if you're a very profitable trader, right? That is the bottom. Well, we are hitting the 10 moving average on the 4, you know, up here. And we still got a long way to go. On 1 hour, we got 2 minutes to go. There is no divergence, but you know, it is increasing towards downside. Dropping music, yeah. Nice. I'll listen to that afterwards. There was a nice candle up here on this stump down here, so you know, might be. There's a nice candle up here. Pump it. Where is the profit bar? I don't know, it's somewhere up here. There we go. Still pushing down this. Let's see, Bitcoin. Still pulling it down. We're from Norway. I should probably put that up there, you know. Frequently asked questions. Your accent sounds Balkanic. Yeah. Da, ja sam iz Balkana. Isto. ICP perfect hand and shoulders. I don't have ICP up here. There's ICP. We can actually trade ICP on Bybit. Nice. Perfect head and shoulders. I don't know where you see head and shoulders, man. What time frame up here? Maybe. Accent sounds Portuguese to me. Hello Tila. Hi Kunal. How you doing, man? Thomas. Hi. How you doing? That's when you're short in the market and then buy cheaper coins. S koje zemlje? Iz Hercegovina. Brate, odakle ću drugo biti nego iz Hercegovine? ICP middle finger. Yeah, the middle finger pattern. Are we gonna long this, guys? Are we gonna long this? Rejected right now, going down. Hey, trade, not trade. I'm watching for possible entry. You've been streaming for 69 minutes. Yeah, it's a short stream so far. No position spine about looking weak right now. You missed it. What's OGN? Binance. Might reverse. Am I crazy, guys? Burek sa sirom, brate. But I like all bureks. Like all bureks are good. But the one with the cheese is so good. I haven't had breakfast yet, guys. Don't talk about food, man. Don't. And wife is not at home, so I don't. You know, don't talk about food. By the way, 5-minute break. I gotta get something to eat, maybe. Maybe it's a long position here, guys. Maybe it's a long position. Wife is home, so there is food. Without wife, you're not even able. Yeah, I'm always like, there is no food, and she's like, the fridge is full of food. Yeah, but it's food that you can use to make other food. There is not actually food there, you know. Looks like a rejection up here. Slowly pushing below the support and big dump, and then we can actually long. Let's see 1 hourly. Maybe shorting Shiba below the support, right? Right now consolidate here and short it down there. Three bearish engulfing candles. 1, 2, 3 on 30-minute chart. It's bullish engulfing, 80 minutes left. Jack is the most emotional one. Maybe opening short, yeah, but short needs to be up here, I think, somewhere up here. Right now it's pulling back up again, but it's not that, you know, having the reaction that. XRP is nice for a short though. $340, $346. Let's see 1 minute chart up here. Short. There you go. We open a short on XRP. Kind of FOMO'd into that one. At least we are not underwater. Entry price. Short things about the safest trade on the planet, I don't know. short entry. Not really confident with the trade. Market close. Let's close the trade. 45. Yeah, let's close it. We lost $1 or something like that. What? Lost 90 bucks? Dude, no. How can we lose 90 bucks when we... The fees, man, the fees are killing us. Okay, we are not in trade right now, don't short. Double bottom down here. Let's see 30-minute chart up here. 4-6. The 3K you had the other day, you just noticed. Yeah, that happened. You know what happened. Says you're not sure. We are not in a trade right now. We went in the trade for 10 seconds. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go do stuff, guys. Ja, jag vet. Jag fick telefon. Hada. Okay guys, I cannot trade right now because I gotta go. But we did a trade for 10 seconds and lost 19 bucks. So there's that. There is that. I gotta go. I got stuff to do. So, you know, there will be trade tonight when kids go to sleep maybe. If I'm in good mood. But right now I'm gonna go eat and, you know, do stuff. Bring your food. No, I gotta go do stuff outside. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Join Qcoin. Join Qcoin. Bye bye.